Hey everyone, welcome back to Shikaza Cuisine. Today we're going to make a bacon cheese pizza. So let's get started. To make the dough, we will need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of a mixture of salt and chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1 cup of water. Water can be cold or warm. It does not matter. Mix the ingredients using a stand mixer. Once the dough is ready, cover it and let it rise for 45 minutes. Now that the dough has doubled in size, it's time to shape it. Add a little bit of oil on a baking pastry mat. You can also use some flour. It's all preference. Roll the dough out to your desired thickness. Next, place it on a pizza baking pan. Take a fork and pierce it all over so that the surface is covered with tiny little holes. For the pizza sauce, we have Alfredo sauce and homemade tomato sauce. For the toppings, we have some mozzarella cheese and Applewood smoked bacon. Get creative with your toppings, mix and match, and have fun experimenting with different flavors. Preheat the oven to 485 and bake the pizza for about 10-12 minutes. Congratulations, the homemade bacon cheese pizza is now ready to be devoured. Pull it out of the oven and let it cool for a minute or two before slicing. Yummy, yummy it is. Fresh and tasty. Let me know in the comments what your favorite pizza toppings are. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.